Croatian Lesson 1, Part 2, Answering Questions. Let's learn how to answer questions with što, what, and gdje, where. Što je ovo? What is this? Ovo je knjiga. This is a book. Što je ovo? To je telefon. That is a phone. Što je ovo? Ovo je stol. This is a table. Pattern. Ovo, to plus je plus noun. Answering gdje. Where is it? Where? Gdje je Marko? Where is Marko? Marko je u gradu. Marko is in the city. Marko je u školi. He is at school. Pattern. Person, thing, plus year, plus place. Nailed it. Great job. Croatian Lesson 1 Part 3 asking why. Zašto? That's next. Take the plunge, dive in and subscribe.